Dear students, a warm welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss rounding off of numbers. Okay. Now, suppose by calculation we get this number 3.454, and if we want to put only 3 digits in this number, that means we want to remove the last digit, number 4. So we have to follow some rules. Since this number is less than 5, so we just leave it and the result will be 3.45. Okay, we just round off this number to 3.45. Now next, 3.458. In this number, if we want to put only 3 digits, that means we want to remove this number 8. Since this number is greater than 5, so we add a digit, we add one number to the previous digit, that means 3.46. Okay, this is the rounding off of this number. Now next, 3.475 or 3.47500. If we want to put only 3 digits, that means we want to remove 5 or 500. Okay, since this number is 5, so in this case we just focus on the previous digit. Since this is 7, number 7 means odd number. We know that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So if odd numbers comes before 5, then we just add one digit to it. It becomes 3.48. Okay, this is the rounding off of such type of digits. Now next, if we want to put only 3 digits in this number, now here, that means we want to remove this 5 or 500, since here in before 5 we have an even number 8. We know that 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Since if an even number comes before the 5, then we just remove the 5 digits. Its rounding off becomes 3.4. Okay. Now next, in this case, if we want to put only 3 digits in such type of numbers, then that means we have to remove this 5010 or 5125. Since after 5, here comes non-zeros numbers 010 or here 125. After 5, if after 5 there are some non-zero numbers, then we just add one number to the previous digit from 5. That means its rounding off numbers become 3.49. Okay. Now, in case of addition, suppose we want to add some numbers and we get any result, and we want to write this number on the basis of significant figures. Now, 27.8. After decimal, there is one digit, one significant figures. Here 1.324. After decimal point, there are 3 significant figures. Here 0.66. There are 2 significant figures after decimal point. So after adding, we get this number. But on the basis of significant figures, we write it in a different way. Now, since in 132, this is the less number, okay, 1. So we can put only one digit after decimal point. Okay, that means here we have to remove number 8 and 4. Since this number 8 is greater than 5, so on the basis of significant figures, we write this answer as 29.8. Okay. Now, in subtraction case, suppose here is a number 12.192. After decimal point, there are 3 numbers 1, 9 and 2. Okay, and 9.7. Here after decimal only 1 significant figures. So after subtraction we get this result 2.492. But on the basis of significant figures, we write it in a different way. we get different answer. Now 3 and 1. 1 is less than 3. So we just write only one digit after the decimal point. That means we are going to remove 9 and 2. Since this 9 is greater than 5, so we just add one number to the previous digit. So on the basis of significant figures, the answer will be 2.5. Okay. Now in multiplication, we will follow different rules. Okay. Here we get different method. Now 4.3. Here we count total significant figures. 4 and 3. There are two significant figures, and multiplied by 3.12. Here 3, 1 and 2. There are total 3 significant figures. Okay, that means after multiplication we get this. Since 2 and 3, 2 is less than 3, that means in the answer we can use only 2 digits, 2 significant figures. That means 1 and 3. So on the basis of significant figures, our answer will be 13. Okay. Now in division, again we count the total number of significant figures in the digit. 10.3. There are 1, 2 and 3. 3 significant figures divided by 3.0. Here we have 2 significant figures. And when we divide it, we get this number 3.433, 333 up to so on. In 2 and 3, 2 is less than 3. So on the basis of significant figures, we can use only 2 significant figures in the result, 3 and 4. That means we have to remove this number 3 up to so on. Since this number 3 is less than 5, so our answer will be only 3.4 on the basis of significant figures. Okay, so this topic is very important for the exam perspective, and the topic is done. Thank you.